what do you do with the sea to get attraction? Attraction in the sense that maybe when you be eating, come be you person the planet was here. At times, maybe will be quite difficult for the person. If you are making interview for a visa, for employment, now being a favor, attraction, what can you do? So this must be done on a dark moon Amavasia. So when you say I have a dark moon, date in so did you say China a full moon? No, you want a dark moon, so so what do you do for attraction? On a dark moon, all these have to link with the sea. So much the BBA obey upon much. So on the dark moon, you have to come to the sea after sunset. October after sunset, you get a bucket of water. You must walk into the sea and make sure say yeah. You walk closer. Normally the waves in a bar. You don't have to go deep down. So you take a bucket, you take the water from there. Okay? You carry the water from the seaside. Now about outskirts crab beer pono a bar structure ember. So you can dig some hole there. Okay? Maybe what you want to baby. You can dig a hole. You stand in the hole and then you use that water in the bucket to rinse yourself. So you can, the best thing is to take a cup. So what's a cup now? You talk about anything that has to represent attraction, then you pour the water on yourself. You take another one like that. Make sure the whole water stays in the hole now. What to do? So so you get a towel all yourself, remove this leg, towel it, not the sabon thing. They will take this one, no towel the sabon thing. Then after you use some the natieni guhono. Now they are catering in us. Who we are the bucket, not the butu so you go back. This thing creates attraction. Many a times we are unable to attract things because there's so much dirty in our aura. If you do this ritual spontaneously, all these negative things with you that are amount to me attractive good things in your life, you wash everything. And my master that taught me ritual says that because it is after sunset, you will see something. So you might not look back after the ritual. Put the back at the back after baby or you go straight until you leave the environment. Don't turn back. If you turn back, you will see something. You will definitely see something after doing this. If you like and try it and see. Oh yeah, you will definitely see something. What you will see, I cannot tell you, but you will see something to tell you that what you did actually is a powerful ritual. Mami repeat you. On a dark moon, Amavasia, you take a bucket, go to the sea. Now the bucket in Assam Sunibi. Leave the water, come to the outskirts. Now what to do? That's because they're very easy to dig. Put to 2 years now, what you know, I'm now the bucket. So your banner why you tina with how you can pour on yourself without your hair. But the best thing is to pour the whole thing on yourself. To the bucket, you can't put the person sooner. The same thing, the question about Panibisa, do we say something? Yes. When you are doing this, you must say what you are doing this for, and the reason behind what you are doing. So, make a fee, assume I see a free neko, I did be a dimachia, musua, and my mean to me attracting the panel, me eating in the free musso. A free neko, baby, will be a to commit to me. Saying here, the will be only Panama and Hontono. You keep on saying those things as you upon the water on your body. Who we are. Make sure you don't step out without using the towel to clean the water. You know we are. Over 2 minutes towel now I clean it. See, under normal circumstances, say a baby, I am very like for me. If I'm to do this with somebody, I'll go there around 12 midnight when nobody's there, and I can stay naked and do that ritual. So, but maybe the time I'll be anybody around, so you can wear some pants or something under. And I'll be in Victoria was now there. Everywhere you can make sure you towel yourself from the head all the way down. You remove one leg from the. I'm not what to know. Now what the towel now papa or one of the next one thing. Said the bear bit me papa the second one. So we are. What did not any good you can repeat your thing in some kind. If you never baby, I make be wherever I go, people will be looking at me. Obi or difficult to give whom you have easily. You keep on giving this incantation. Who we are back at the phobia, so go straight out, don't look back. Oh, yes, sir. It will give you a lot of attraction. The towel no must be left there.
And the bucket.
Baby, we know, we just bucket to know what you are now. When you feel where we are, Obi Papa, you down with your ritual. That's okay. Normally, if you have to do rituals, now a container, they always need one is the best. Because I need no one have fun for baby some will be sign any order. So a new bucket is the best. No, you should face the sea. See, let me tell you one thing. The ocean you are seeing like this, they are personalities, thousands of them that comes out every now and then. See, it is very difficult because they say if it's something and I'm not to you about some Opa every dark moon come to the sea. Around 12, you will see personality coming from the water. I tell you this.
Don't do anything.
Every dark moon. No, they won't do anything. You come in here because you want to experience something, not that because you want to challenge anything. From 12 going, on the dark moon and Babasia, come here, you will see beings coming from the water. You know, the ocean is a very powerful thing, but unfortunately, we don't know, so we abuse it. So when you are doing this ritual, you must face the ocean, do all the ritual. We are then when it nako and first thing is like our page on Facebook Transformations. Because YouTuber now wako subscribe to our channel Transformation Era. And na opeswa obetimi download do your app no Transformation Radio app. All the videos are there. Me video bi amaye bia no ewo Transformation Radio app no obetimi ahwe video no ana obefa numbers yi na wa contact office and say me pa cho me person me join any Transformation no. So number is 0245 006467. Then second number is 0302 918808. Or contact number now, there's no need calling. Just send a message. Please, me will Sunyane, me will Kumasi, me will US. I want to join Transformation. Just short message. Nipa ne best send the contact number of the executive number of that area now person joining. Our groups, we pay for registration because your members they will be an ID card.